Hello my dear students, now today we see the example on the false position method. Okay, in previous lecture we see how to find the formula to find a root of the equation. So we have a formula here, x2 is equal to x naught f of x1 minus x1 f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught. Using this formula we find the root of the equation. So see the example, find the root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 between x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2.5 using false position method up to 3 decimal places. Read carefully example. We have given function x cube minus 2x minus 5 and we have two trivial points, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2.5. So we have to find the root of this equation between these 2 points and which is correct up to the 3 decimal places. So see here given f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. So this is a function, so we cannot take here equal to 0. Okay, function f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 and first trivial point x naught is equal to 2 and second trivial point x1 is equal to 2.5. So first we find f of x naught. So x naught be the 2, so f of 2 is equal to, here in f of x we put value of x be the 2, so we get 2 cube minus 2 into x be the 2 into 2 minus 5 which is equal to 2 cube be the 8 minus 2 into 2 be the minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. So we get 8 minus 9 which is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1. So which is less than 0, that means we get f of x naught is less than 0. Now see, we find next f of x1. x1 be the 2.5, so put here value 2.5, f of 2.5 is equal to, in f of x we put x is equal to 2.5 which is equal to 2.5 cube minus 2 into x be the 2.5 minus 5 which is equal to 2.5 cube 15.625, 2 into 2.5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 and 15 minus 625 minus 10 is equal to 5.625 and this is positive value, so which is greater than 0. So all calculation we perform on the scientific calc. Okay, see, so we start our first iteration. So in a first iteration we take x naught is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 2.5. That means we have interval here, x naught is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 2.5. We find the x2 point, and x2 point we have formula x2 is equal to x naught into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught. F of x naught, put the values, x naught be the 2, f of x1 be the, here we find 2.565 minus x1 be the 2.5 into f of x naught be the, we have a minus 1 divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught. So f of x1 be the 5.625 minus f of x naught be the minus 1. So calculate this value, we get 2.0754. Okay, so we have here x2 be the 2.0754. okay, so we find the next new search interval. Okay, for a new search interval we find f of x2. First we find the f of x2. Here x2 value be the 2.0754. So we find f of 2.0754 which is equal to, in f of x we put x is equal to 2.0754. okay, so put the value, we get here x cube, so we take 2.0754 cube minus 2 into x be the minus 2 into 2.0754 minus 5. Calculate this value, we get minus 0.2115 and minus 0.2115 which is less than 0. So our new search interval be the, so see here our new search interval be the, we take here this, if f of x2 is less than 0 then search interval we have this is okay, x2 to x1, and if f of x2 is greater than 0 then search interval be the x0 to x2 interval. Okay, so here we have a new search interval, x2 is equal to 2.0754 and x1 is equal to 2.5. so we replace x2 by a x0. So here we have a x0 value 2.0754. नेक्स्ट इंटरवल मध्ये तुमची x0 ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, जी x2 ची व्हॅल्यू असेल तीच कसली असणार आहे, x0 ची व्हॅल्यू, बिकॉज वी हॅव इंटरवल x2 to x1, so we replace x2 by x0. So we take here in a second interval, so see in a second interval x0 is equal to 2.0754 and x1 is equal to 2.5. So here we have interval 2.0754 and x1 be the 2.5. This is our x0 and this is x1. Again we intersect this interval by the formula x2 is equal to x0 into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. So put the values, x0 be the 2.0754 into f of x1 we already find here we already find the f of x1 be the 2 point, that means f of 2.5 we have the value 5.625 already we find, so we put this value f of x1 be the 5.625 minus x1 be the 2.5 into f of x0. f of x0 म्हणजे तुमचा कुठला असणार आहे, this f of x0 is equal to f of 2.0754 and in previous iteration we already find the f of x0, that means f of 2.0754 we already find, so we put this value, so we get value be the f of x0 be the minus 0.2115 divide by, we put again value f of x1 minus f of x0 which is equal to 5.625 minus 0.2115. So calculate this, we get 12.2028 divide by 5.8365 and we divide this, we get 2.0907. Again we find the new search interval, so we have to find new search interval be this or this. So for this we find the f of x2. f of x2 here x2 value be the 2.0907, f of 2.0907 put in f of x, x is equal to 2.0907 which is equal to 2.0907 bracket cube minus 2 into 2.8907 minus 5 which is equal to minus 0.0429 less than, which is less than 0 because we get the negative sign. For a less than 0, f of x2 is less than 0, then new search interval we have this interval, we have the x2 point काय आलेला आपला 2.0907. so new search interval be the x2 to x1 interval, okay, because here f of x2 is less than 0, so we take next x2 be the x0 and we have x1 be the 2.5. so in a new iteration we have the third iteration, we take in a third iteration x0 be the 2.0907 and x1 be the 2.5. again we find the x2, so here we write iteration x naught we have 2.0907 and x1 with the 2.5. Okay, so x2 is equal to x naught f of x1 minus x1 f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught, which is equal to, so see here, f of x naught we have a value, f of x naught is equal to, already we find f of x naught means f of 2.0907, and which is we have the value minus 0.0429, and f of x1 which is equal to f of 2.5, already we find the f of 2.5, and which is the f of 2.5 with the 5.625. Okay, we have all values here. So x2 is equal to x naught into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught. So put the values here, x naught is equal to 2.0907 into f of x1 be the 5.625 minus x1 be the 2.5 into f of x naught be the minus 0.00429 divided by same values put केला, calculation केला, we get x2 is equal to 2.0937. Okay, again we find the new search interval. So for that we find the f of 2.0937, that means we find the f of x2 and we calculate f of x2, we get which is less than 0. Less than 0, that means here x2 is equal to, we have given 2.0937. Okay, which is less than 0, that means the root is lies in between this interval x2 to x1. Okay, so in a next iteration, in a fourth iteration, so see here, in the fourth iteration we take x naught is equal to 2.0937 and x1 is equal to 2.5. Okay, already we find the value of the f of x naught. F of x naught is equal to f of 2.0937. Okay, and which is already find f of 2.0937, we get the minus 0.0095, and f of x1 is as it is f of 2.5. already f of 2.5 क्या आलेला है 5.625. put the all values in the formula, we get the x2 with the 2.0943. so see here x naught is equal to 2.0937 and x1 is equal to 2.5. we get the point x2 is equal to 2.0943. okay, so again we find the new search interval. आता कुठपर्यंत हे इटरेशन तुम्हाला घ्यायचे तर एक्झाम्पलमध्ये तुम्हाला क्लिअरली दिलेलं आहे. वी हॅव टू अप टू द 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस, वी हॅव टू फाइंड द रूट विच इज करेक्ट अप टू द 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. जोपर्यंत 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेसपर्यंत तुम्हाला रूट मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत, आता इथे बघा x2ला काय आलेलं आहे रूट. थर्ड इटरेशनमध्ये x2 काय आलेला आपला 2.0937 आणि फोर्थ इटरेशनमध्ये x2 काय आला आपला 2.0943. ओके, सो हियर 2.09 and here also 2.09. ओके, अप टू 2 डेसिमल पॉईंट नंतर 2 डिजिट सेम येतात ते बघा यांचे. तर आपल्याला कुठपर्यंत फाइंड करायचं आहे अप टू द 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. जो तिसरा डिजिट आहे तो पण काय आला पाहिजे सेम आला पाहिजे. इथे काय आलाय 3 आला, इथे काय आलाय 4 आलाय. सेम येतोय का नाही येते तर पुन्हा आपण काय घेणार आहे एक न्यू सर्च इंटरवल. सो फॉर दॅट वी फाइंड द f of x2 and f of x2 with the f of 2.0943 which is equal to, again we find f of x2, we get minus 0.0029 minus a, so which is less than 0. So we have a new search interval x2 to x1. Okay, so in a fifth iteration we take x naught is equal to 2.0943 and x1 is equal to 2.5. Okay, so for formula we find f of x naught. F of x naught be the f of x naught value 2.0943, and we already find f of 2.0943 which is minus 0.0029, and f of x1 is equal to f of 2.5, and we know already we have to find f of 2.5, and which is the 5.625. 5.625. Okay, so we put all these value in this formula. So we have formula x2 is equal to x naught f of x1 minus x1 f of x naught divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught. Okay, so see here, we put x naught with the 2.0943, f of x1 we have value 5.625 minus x1 with the 2.5 minus f of x naught with the we have f of x naught minus 0.0029 divided by f of x1 with the 5.625 minus f of x naught with the minus 0.0029. So we get multiply this, we get 11.7804 minus minus plus 0.0072. Calculate this on a calci, divide by minus minus plus, so we get here addition 5.6279, and we calculate this value, we get 11.7876 divided by 56279, and which is equal to 2.0944. So see here, in a fifth iteration we have the x2 2.094 and 44, and here see in a fourth iteration x2 is equal to 2.0943. बघा हा जो थर्ड डिजिट आहे थर्ड, तो पण काय येतोय, सेम येतोय. डेसिमल पॉइंट नंतर अप टू 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस वी हॅव अ सेम व्हॅल्यू. Okay, see here 2.094 and 2.094. Okay, so we stop our process, so we get the answer 2.094, which is your root, which is correct up to the 3 decimal places. So we write answer here, hence the root is 2.0944 correct to the 3 decimal places. It is your last answer. Okay, thank you.